All right, so I thought I would do a live video because I got my Ancestry DNA testing kit yesterday. It came in the mail. So I haven't done the test yet. Just got it in the mail yesterday evening. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, it says Ancestry DNA, comes in this cute little box, you know. So if you see one of your neighbors getting one in their mailbox and you didn't get one, you know what to do. All right, so anyway, you may order yours right now. They're on sale. It's on sale for about, I believe I paid, I don't know, $52 plus shipping, something like that. But the regular test, when it's not on sale, is $99. So all these years I contemplated on getting one, but I don't want to pay the $99. So anyway, all right, so let's open it up and see what it has in it. All right, so it has a little booklet, and it says Ancestry DNA. It says your privacy is important. All right, so inside it says Ancestry DNA, welcome to Ancestry DNA. Number 1, it says activate your kit online. So you go to their website and you activate your kit. And I notice on here, they'll have like the activation code right there. See that little, where my finger is? It's an activation code. And then, oh, here's the little test tube, because you're going to feel like a test tube, baby. All right, so anyway, there's a barcode, and then there's a matching activation number right there. My finger is covering part of it, you know. But anyway, so in the activation kit, or the kit that they send you, has the tube and looks like a little mouthpiece. Let me turn it the other way. So it has a little mouthpiece to where you put your saliva up to that black line. See that black squiggly line? That's a lot of saliva to be adding, I think. Anyway, all right, so, and then they have this other little area that says once you put your saliva in the tube, then you screw this top on, shake it up. See that little greenish blue solution? So when you shake that up, that's supposed to preserve your DNA sample. So by the time it gets there to the kit, I guess when it gets there to where they test it, you know, it's going to preserve it. So anyway, let's see what else is in the box. Came in this little box. All right, so there's a box within the box. So, oh, and a bag. So you put your little saliva kit in this bag and seal it up. Then you put it in this little prepaid mailer box. And you send it back in to their address in, looks like Sandy, Utah. So you know Utah has a huge database of genealogy. The Church of the Latter-day Saints, the Mormons, they're real big on genealogy. So if you've ever studied them or gone to one of their centers, they will help you with your ancestry. I've gone several years ago to the one in West LA, and they're connected with Ancestry.com. So you can actually go use their computer system for free. And you can trace your ancestry. You can trace your the slave heritage. They have the slave records there within their computer system. And they also have the Native American records there as well. So if you hear talking in your family about, oh, we're part Blackfoot or we're part Choctaw Indian or something to that nature, you can actually research that if you go to the Church of the Latter-day Saints in a city near you and utilize their information library that they have there. So if you don't have Ancestry.com account, you can go to the Church of the Latter-day Saints and they will assist you. Okay, so, hey Latrice, how you doing? You said you got grossed out. Well, I'm not going to gross anybody out by putting my saliva in this tube on live. But what I will do is I will come back online when I get my results. And I know what it's going to say. It's going to say I come from royalty. That's what it's going to say. And if it doesn't, guess what? We'll just pretend that we are. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do this little test right now. I'm going to take it to the post office before they close. I think they close around 2 or 2:30. I'm in California, so the time zone is going to be different if you're tuning in from the East Coast or the West Coast or the South Coast. But anyway, all right, so we're going to go ahead and do this little test, AncestryDNA.com, and we're going to let you know the results soon in about, I don't know, 6 to 8 weeks. All right, bye, y'all.